Hello kids, Ramadan Mubarak kids. Do you iftar or sahur daily? Do you enjoying in this month? Today I draw the drawing of Kaaba. This is very easy drawing. First of all, draw a box shape. Don't forget to use scale. Using the scale makes the lines perfect. Now draw the door. Oslo made the golden band. This is the house of Allah. Muslims offer prayer in the direction of Kaaba in 5 times a day. All of Muslims of the world gathered in the Kaaba during the Hajj. It's a very respectful place for the Muslims because this is house of the King of World. Wow, that's great. Do you like this drawing? Do you enjoy? This is my favorite drawing. You know I am fasting. Do you fasting? This is very easy and simple drawing. Our drawing is near to ready. Let's coloring. Color the golden band. It's so beautiful, mashallah. Do you see the Kaaba in your life? Don't forget to color the door. Do you the color of Kaaba? Yes, black color. So I use black color in the drawing. I use a full black color in the drawing. Do you have fasting? Do you eat anything in the day? I am fasting and I don't eat anything. I eat at the time of iftar. Our drawing is almost completing. Wow, that's awesome.